Hi everyone, welcome back again with YouTube channel. In my previous video I will show how you can install WordPress manually and automatically. If you missed this video, you can find the video link in my description below. So today I like to show you how you can install WordPress theme in your WordPress, just adding a theme. You can also install WordPress theme from your cPanel.
Spotlight, moonlight, why you worship and get your mood right? Shorty look good in the moonlight, so why you so bad, spotlight, moonlight, why you worship and get your mood right?
For this tutorial, I'm using Laurel theme. This is the Laurel theme. This is premium and this is only $49. This is a really nice theme. You can find the link in my description below. And this is the theme preview. This is a really nice and cool theme. And you can also find a theme link in my description below, which is Rosemary. This is a really nice theme. You can see this is the preview of this theme, Rosemary theme. And I see the Rosemary theme is also $49. So first, now I like to install my theme in my WordPress. So for this you need to go to your WordPress login page and log in your dashboard. This is my WordPress dashboard. After going to your WordPress dashboard, go to appearance and click on theme. After going to your theme section, you can find some theme. This theme is free, but I'm not using this theme. So adding my premium theme, go to add section, add now, then select upload and choose file, then select your premium theme. I'm using Laurel theme. Select Laurel theme, zip file and open. And now after that, click install now. It will take some time, don't worry. So here you can see one notification, installing theme from upload file zip laurel.zip. Unpacking the package, installing the themes installed successfully. So you can see the theme live view from here, live preview. You can active and return to theme page. After uploading your theme, just click active. Okay, here you can see the Laurel theme. You can customize from here wizard menu install plugin. So in this way you can upload your theme. Now I like to show my website now. Sorry. So this is my website now after installing Laurel theme. So this is the menu and this is the sidebar section. I have no post, that's why showing this way. So in this way you can install your premium theme in your WordPress. So I hope you now understand how can you install your WordPress theme. And there is other section, how to install WordPress manually from cPanel if you have any problem to upload your theme in your cPanel. So for that video, please subscribe my channel so that you can find the video when I upload. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.